Dogecoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video I'm talking about the latest update of the Dogecoin, the very urgent and important update of Dogecoin. What's going on in the Dogecoin? In this video I will share the latest update. My friends, before starting this video, please click the subscribe button, also like this video. My friends, absolutely my friends, if you subscribe ABS Tech channel, so you will get the latest update about cryptocurrencies market. Now my friends, this time the latest price of the Dogecoin in the market is 0.234435 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Dogecoin in the market. And if we talk about the price changes, so now the last 1 hour changes is going wrong, my friends. The last 1 hour changes is negative, the last 1 day changes is positive, and last 1 week change is negative. Only my friends, the yesterday the Dogecoin start pumping, but unfortunately this jump is temporary, and now the price is again falls down. You can see here again the false start. Let me show you the price chart for more details. You can see on the 7th July the price of Dogecoin start pumping, but you can see at the last the price of again Dogecoin falls down. And you know what, my friends, my prediction is that is a temporary fall. After some passage of time the price will again pump, the price will again explode. So don't worry about these changes, my friends. Don't worry about these kind of changes, my friends. Everything will be okay. You have to just patient, you have to just wait for it, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends.